What are we doing today? What are we doing today?
We are making slimes.
Z-girls? What?
We gonna make Z-girls.
We're gonna make Z-girls. We're gonna make what?
We gonna make Z-girl slime.
We're gonna make a Z-girl slime?
That's fun, mama.
Okay. So what do we have here? Show me what we got.
We have food coloring.
We got food coloring.
Water, glue, and some water.
What, for real?
No, just a coloring. So we have purple, pink, and
They're like black. There you go, Zyla. Black.
gold, and another pink.
Oh yeah.
And two pink.
All right. What's up over there in that cup? Right
I think this
What's
is
in that
orange.
cup?
I think this is orange.
That looks kind of like orange. Hey Zy, what's in that cup over there? What's in that cup?
Water.
It's water. Yeah, that's right. It's water. So let's get started.
Okay, everybody, hold your glue up. Not yet. What do you have now?
We have clear glue.
Okay, so I'm gonna say
Cow.
Elmer's glue. Okay, Zyla and Zoe. When mommy say go, mommy wants you to pour in there. When I say stop, stop. Okay, you put it down here. Okay, mark, set, go. Keep going. Stop, Zoe. Stop, Zoe.
Jab and
Stop,
Zyla.
Zoe. Stop, Zyla.
Good job. So mama put the tops back on the glue, man. You don't want everything to get junky around here.
Let me unscrew it. All right, go girls. Put some drops in your cups. Food color. Zoe, what color do you have?
That's enough, Zy.
That's enough, Zy. You
Red.
got blue and
Good
great
job.
I
job.
got red.
Wait, hold on.
I got red and
So you got Zoe's.
Zoe's red.
Like
Zyla,
blood,
yours is like
blah,
black. It looks kind of
blah, blah, blah. Zyla got blue like.
blah 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 blah.
Okay.
Ooh, so we're gonna pour the water into the. Watch what you're doing, Zoe. And that's enough right there. Stop. Good job. Zyla turn.
2 hands.
No.
No.
You don't have to mix it yet, baby.
You ready? 2 hands. Remember how teacher showed you to pour in class, in your Montessori class? Inside the bowl.
Good job. Keep going. And that's good, baby. Good job.
Great job. You got it. Girls, now it's mixing time. Slow. It's not a race. Slow and steady. Circle and stir it and circle and stir it. Nice and slow. Here we go. Stir the blue.
Pick your fork up a little bit, Zoe. Let me see how it
the
looks.
red. It's
Hey, baby, get those cups, please. I don't want them things to waste.
My good turn.
Let me see how yours looks, Zy. Pick yours up a little bit. Not yet.
Here we go. Nice
Yeah.
and steady. Here we Zyla. Wait, girls. What color did you choose, Zoe?
I choose orange.
Zyla, what color
Like
did
a
you choose?
pumpkin.
Where did we get this orange glitter from?
From the dollar store.
No,
The Target.
Target in the one spot, and it was only $1. And we got this from Walmart a long time ago. We did a lot of crafts with this, and we still have a lot. We just recycle our glitter, right?
So we always don't need to get along. That's a teach.
Yep, just a little bit. All right, gonna pour yours up.
So you always need to do this.
Tap that finger. Tap that finger. Up, that's good. No more glitter for you. Ha. Turkey, your turn. Go ahead, baby. Go. Shake. And that's good, Zy. Good job. No more. Thank you. Good job. So y'all wanna mix? Go ahead and mix.
Nice and slow.
Oh!
Nice
Ooh, look
and
at
slow.
that.
Here we go. Nice and slow.
Not slimy yet. You gotta put the borax in there in a minute.
Steady. Nice and slow.
Mommy, look
Here, I see it. It looks amazing. So what is this?
Borax.
Borax.
Zyla?
Borax.
It's
This is
borax.
like a multi-purpose thing. You can use it for so
Hey, Ro,
much.
what you doing?
Urgent booster.
What you doing, boy?
I think you can make it to use it to go get rid of bugs, but today we're gonna use it to make what? Slime.
Say it again, so what is that? We're gonna make borax to make what? We're gonna use borax to what? Slime.
Okay, so you're not playing around with water there. If
slime already. Let's see. Let's just see how it goes, Kel. Let's let her stir it up. No more, but mommy, no more. Yeah.
I think
Is it supposed to do
you're
this,
supposed to
mommy?
use your hands.
Oh yeah, you know right. You're right. I think you're supposed to use your hands. So be careful, mommy. Can you get some paper towels real quick? So dig in and stir it up, y'all. No, do that. Yeah, stir it up. Zala, keep your hand over there. Scoot up, Zala. Scoot up, son. No. Why do you scoot back? Scoot up. There you go. Stir it. Go ahead,
Stir it up a little bit first, Zala.
Ew, how does it feel, Zoe?
In the circle, nice and slow, Zyla. Nice and
What does it
slow.
feel like, Zoe?
Crunchy
It
what?
feels crunchy. How does it feel, Zoe?
Crunchy.
It feels
Leave it
crunchy.
in there.
It's long. It's thick.
It's thick. How does it feel, Kel?
Oh, we're doing it right.
Ow!
Yeah, it's a failed experiment. It's a failed experiment.
Okay, squish it down.
Let me see how
I'm thinking
let me see how yours
I
is.
should pour the rest of the water out. Let me just pour the water out.
You think so?
Yeah.
Let's mix some more. Not mix some more, but keep on mixing real quick. How does it feel, Zoe?
It feels like slime now.
It feel like slime now, does it? Keep going, Zy. Keep going, Zyla. Keep on staring up.
Look, this turned
You
like
see?
slime.
Yeah, that did turn into slime, did it?
Mommy, look.
She finally got slime in there. Let me see it. Wow.
Oh,
Let me
you
see
need to
yours,
flat it down.
Let me see yours, Zoe.
Need to flat it down and push it.
Yeah.
I think you need to do that.
I think Zyla need more.
Back.
Oh, yours is really turning into slime, is it? Taking a while, but it's turning into slime. We needed a bigger bowl and more water.
Looks nice.
Oh, look at Zyla's. They're just turning into slime right now, isn't it? There you go. Wow. She may have too much water in
Right
her.
now.
Is it slime right now? Let's go pour some of that water out real quick. Let me see how yours is. Is it slimy yet? Not yet. Pull it apart. Let's see how it looks.
Look at Tyler's.
Yeah, that looks like, I don't know.
Here, let me put it in the bowl now.
Oh.
Yeah, put it back in the bowl again.
Put it in the bowl now. No, it's in the bowl.
How does Zoe's look? Zoe's looks slimy, like a tongue, like a glittery tongue. What? You got your slime, baby? Oh, it broke. Wow, Zozo. Yeah. We can always make some more again. But we can't, yeah, we put it in a Ziploc bag.
Look, Doc, look.
Wow. Yeah, just pick yours up, Zozo. Wow. Slimy.
Look, it's thick.
Ew. Slime.
No, just put it back together. Look.
The slime.
My
The
slime.
slime.
I never made my slime before, my own slime.
You never made your own slime.
I can make it flat. I can make it flat.
You can't
I
make
got
it flat. You
some
can make it
stuff
flat.
Okay.
Look,
Mix it
look,
in.
this is turning to slime.
You want to put it there?
Let's see.
No,
Oh, wow.
Mommy, look, this one's turning to